end results of today's hair growth recipe is going to blow your mind. In today's video, I'm going to show you 2 different hair growth recipes that you can use together in order to grow your hair faster and also to stop hair breakages. When chemicals damaged my hair and I had to do the big chop, I was struggling to grow my hair faster. But after discovering natural ingredients and knowing the best way to use them, now my hair is much thicker, fuller, and more flourishing. And today is one of such recipes, so make sure you're watching to the end and you're not skipping any part of it because you don't want to miss any information. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, I just want you to know that I appreciate you so much. Thank you for the love and support, for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs up, and even sharing with your friends and families. And if you're stopping by for the first time, thank you for clicking on this video. In today's video, one of my natural ingredients is mint. Mint is really amazing when it comes to hair growth. It has antimicrobial and antifungal properties that will help treat your scalp from dandruff and other scalp issues. Mint can also improve blood circulations in the scalp and help you grow new healthy hair. It can also stop hair breakages, hair loss, or hair thinning. And one thing I love about mint is it's really affordable and easy to find. So make sure you are incorporating mint into your hair care regimen. So I started by washing my mint leaves because I do not want any impurities in this recipe. Then after that, I'm going to plug them and put them in my saucepan. But there is one more natural ingredient I'm going to add to this. I'm going to add my bay leaves. Bay leaves is also great when it comes to hair growth. It can also improve blood circulations in the scalp and help you grow new healthy hair. Bay leaves can stop hair loss, so if you're someone who sheds hair a lot, you must incorporate bay leaves to your hair care regimen. At this point, I'm going to add water to it and transfer it to my stove and allow it to boil. But if you're still watching me to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these using natural ingredients, you will always be notified. On this channel, I do a whole lot of DIYs using natural ingredients. Ingredients you can even find in your own kitchen. And also, I love to read your comments. So make sure to leave me a comment in the section below and I'll make sure to reply to you. And do not forget to share this video with your friends and your family as well as on your social media platforms because you do not know who you might be helping to solve their hair problems. Alright, so at this point I'm going to add my green tea leaf. Green tea is also great when it comes to hair growth. It is going to soothe your scalp and prevent itchiness and also dandruff. Green tea when added to hair care regimen will also help stop hair shedding, hair fall, or hair thinning. It also cleanses your scalp and gives way to new healthy hair growth. So I'm just going to leave it in the water whilst the water is still hot. And I'm going to set it aside so it cools down. So my water is all cooled down. I'm going to take my tea bag out and it's time to strain the water out. This recipe is so powerful when it comes to hair growth, especially when it comes to hair shedding or hair loss. But you just have to know the right way to use it. So make sure you're watching to the end because I'm going to show you the best way to use this in order to boost your hair growth. So at this point, I'm going to use a strainer to strain my water out. Feel free to use any means that you have. If you have the cheesecloth, anything with tiny holes, just make sure you strain it to get just the water out because that's all we need. Look at how beautiful this water is looking and it's very, very effective. I'm going to add one more ingredient to this recipe and I'm going to add an oil. I chose to add pure grapeseed oil because of its many benefits. It is also going to help stop hair shedding and also prevent dry scalp, dry hair, and help you grow much healthier hair. And there is no measurement to this. I just added some oil to it just to make sure it's not just water-based. You know, you need some oil to seal in the moisture when you use it in your hair. So this is what we have it now. And at this point, I'm going to transfer it into an applicator bottle to make the use much easier. There is one more recipe I'm going to show you that you can use alongside this recipe that will make it very effective. So make sure you're watching to the end and you're not skipping any part of it. But if you're still watching to this point, I will appreciate it a lot if you can show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, Do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And make sure to share this video with your friends and your loved ones so they can also benefit from this recipe. And guess what? I just love to read your comments. So leave me a comment in the section below and I'll make sure to reply to you. Alright, so this is the second recipe and I'm still going to use the mint leaves as well as the bay leaves. But this time I'm going to blend them together. Make sure there is no water content in this blender or recipe, and also you're not adding anything to the blender, just the two natural ingredients. And this is what we have now. At this point I'm going to add my carrier oil. I chose to use olive oil because it's lightweight, it easily penetrates into the hair strands. Olive oil can help prevent dandruff, itchy scalp, and also help your hair strands to be much stronger to prevent hair breakages. But feel free to use any oil of your choice. You can use grapeseed oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, any plant-based oil that works best for your hair. The most important part is the natural ingredient that is going to do all the work. But the oil is going to help extract all the nutrients we need from the natural ingredient. At this point, I'm going to use the double boiler method to infuse the oil together. I'm going to leave it sitting in the water for about 20 to 30 minutes or till the oil is warm to touch. After that, we're going to set it aside and allow it to cool down. You can also leave this recipe overnight for 2 days or even longer to infuse much longer. Alright, so I just took the oil out of the water and I'm going to set it aside to cool down. I left it overnight and this is the next morning. It is time to strain my oil out. I'm going to show you how to use this alongside the first recipe we just did. So make sure you're not skipping any part of this video and you're watching to the end so you can know the best way to use these two recipes in order to stop your hair from breaking and also to boost your hair growth. Use any means that you have to strain this oil. You can use your paper towel, your cheesecloth, or anything with tiny holes. Look at how beautiful and green this oil is. It is so potent and effective. At this point, you can add essential oils if you wish, or you can just leave it like so. So after having my oil like so, this is how I use it. You can use this oil as your hot oil treatment. You can use it to seal in moisture in your hair, or you can use it just to massage your scalp or into your hair strands. Use it alongside with the hair growth spray. After spraying this in your hair, go in with the oil and also seal it with the hair growth batter. Thank you for watching this video, but before leaving, click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch other ways to grow your hair much faster. Bye!